Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to back up or restore the Windows Registry. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Backing up and restoring the Windows Registry is an important task that can help you recover from system issues or unintended changes. Here's how to do it. Close all applications when creating a registry backup or restoring it. Back up the entire registry. Press Windows key +R, type regedit, and press Enter to open the registry editor. In the registry editor, click on File in the top left corner. Select Export. Choose a location to save the backup file. In the Export Range section, select All. Give the file a name and click Save. This creates a .reg file containing the entire registry. Restore from a full registry backup. Press Windows key +R, type regedit, and press Enter to open the registry editor. In the registry editor, click on File in the top left corner. Select Import. Navigate to the location of your .reg backup file. Select the file and click Open. Confirm the import when prompted. After restoring, restart your computer to apply the changes. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.